What are the main factors connecting the Iran and Ukraine crises to the possibility of a world war? The escalating conflicts are no longer isolated. Today, their intertwining sparks urgent global risks you need to understand now. The Iran and Ukraine crises are increasingly linked. Iranian drones have been spotted in Ukraine, and Ukrainian forces are offering support to Gulf states. This cross-involvement is making the two conflicts more than separate regional issues. The United States has escalated its response, warning of the toughest sanctions in history as tensions rise. This blending of battlefronts raises the stakes and risks dragging multiple countries into a wider confrontation. Beyond Iran and Ukraine, the world faces over 56 active conflicts. The Russia-Ukraine war remains the largest European conflict since World War II. Meanwhile, military tensions between Iran and Israel continue to flare. Civil wars in Sudan, Myanmar, and the Democratic Republic of Congo add to the global instability. These overlapping crises create a dangerously degraded geopolitical landscape, increasing the potential for escalation into a broader war. One critical factor is the strategic Strait of Hormuz. The Iran conflict has highlighted how fragile Asia's economic security is, as the potential closure of this vital shipping route could disrupt global oil supplies. Such disruptions would have worldwide ripple effects, raising energy prices and fueling economic instability. This economic pressure adds another layer of urgency to the geopolitical tensions linked to these crises. Recent military actions deepen fears of wider conflict. Russian forces launched attacks on Kyiv, causing fires in multiple districts. At the same time, Iran has accused Ukraine of attacking its vessel in the Caspian Sea. These incidents fuel animosity and the chance of retaliatory moves, pushing both crises closer to a broader, potentially global war. The United States is responding aggressively with threats of the toughest sanctions ever imposed. These sanctions aim to pressure Iran and Russia to de-escalate their involvement. However, sanctions can also heighten tensions and provoke countermeasures, creating a delicate balance. The effectiveness and fallout of these sanctions will play a critical role in whether these conflicts spiral into a wider war. What this means for you is clear. The Iran and Ukraine crises are no longer distant problems. Their growing connection could disrupt global stability, economies, and security in your daily life. Stay informed, watch for updates, and subscribe to Daily Q&A to understand how these global events might impact you directly.